Deeper Smart Portable Fish Finder for smartphone or tablet. For ice/shore fishing, kayak and boat. Deeper is a first-of-its-kind wireless fish finder that works in conjunction with your Android or iOS device. Information from the floating Deeper is transmitted with wireless Bluetooth, negating the need for a cable. Because of compact design, it is suitable for use on a variety of vessels, platforms or fishing grounds. This smart sonar works in the depths from 0.5 m to 40 m, 130 feet, and uses Bluetooth connection to show the information about the fish. The pond bed, water temperature and obstacles you may bump into on the screen of a smartphone or a tablet. Smart Fishfinder can be used in salt and fresh water. Beam combines great detail and a wide coverage area. Compact, lightweight and easy to use, it is the ideal fishing companion for every angler. With Deeper Smart Fish Finder you only need one device for any location and anytime fishing. It's completely portable, so you can fish places other fish finders can't reach. From the shore, dock, kayak or boat. This unique wireless technology will help you gather intelligence anywhere you go. Deeper Smart Fishfinder comes in a unique high-quality material retail package. The kit includes Deeper Smart Fishfinder, wall adapter, car charger, USB wire, mini pouch, attachment bolts. The world's most versatile sonar, Deeper Smart Fishfinder works with devices you already own, including Android tablets and smartphones, iPhones and iPads. However, not all mobile devices compatible. Smart Fishfinder application provides you with a detailed fishing calendar, integrated camera function. You can choose from different system of units, frequencies or languages. Sound alarms notifies about fish location, size or water depth. Import and export function allows to use multiple devices. And to keep the data on the cloud services. This app is the perfect planning tool for outdoor activities. If you could not brag about great catches until today, with Deeper app you will always bring fish home. Great product with great customer service. Works like a charm. To purchase Deeper Smart Portable Fish Finder, please visit the link in the video description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.